Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Petrov Trunkov. Petrov hails from a tiny village on the Baltic Sea, where temperatures in the winter drop down to a frigid minus 10 degrees. And if that's not enough, the salty air and rocky roadways have irreversibly corroded its body panels, but Petrov doesn't really mind. In fact, he likes his engineer very cool, and thinks the bubbling rust makes him look more mileage mature. And add the fact that he carries most of his weight in the rear end is a wonder he don't break off when the going gets rough. Now, Petrov wasn't clearly seen anywhere in the movie, aside from a cameo appearance at the oil rig. Concept art shows a light green Trunkov. That appears to be Petrov. And was to appear at the airport chase scene. However, the car in question doesn't appear in the final movie, and seems to have been replaced by Graham. Similarly, a playlist called Cars 2 Spy Jet Escape shows Graham and Petrov chasing Mater in the background, instead of Graham and Asa like in the final movie. Both the set and die-casts were released before the movie. Petrov was also included in the Lego Cars 2 set. Agent Mater's escape as the operator of the Lemons camera at Porto Corsa. This evidence suggests Petrov was meant to be a major henchman, with a role similar to Ace and Graham. Here's his trivia. Petrov was modelled as a ZAZ968 Zaporozhye X, with one adjustment: the letter T on his front bumper, which stands for his last name, Trunkov. According to his die-cast and Lego version, Petrov's license plate is 1971 at SMK. In the movie, during the fight in London, when Holly crashed into the two pieces into the Trunkovs without wings, the Trunkov on the left has a license plate. The one on the left has 7021 SCB. A Geotrax toy version shows his name as Petrov Oilski or Petrov Trunkov. Let's have let's get a closer look at him, shall we? So as I say, he's a teal, very rusted, got a mouth like Mitch. No, doesn't look great, I must admit. No, but still, This was made, when was this made? Probably 2012? I believe it's only got one wing mirror, yes. One wing mirror, like all the other Trunkovs. As you can see, he's got grave steelies, whatever they are. Hi. They're cheap. They're cheap cars, cheap everything. And here we go, it's the back, still not in great condition. Petrov himself isn't in great condition, but luckily he doesn't mind. What's gone in the back, a little bend and a number plate. I don't know. Well, these little... I'm not sure if you can see them that well, but they're like the two little... Here. Not sure what they are. Here's the base if you're interested. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious.